What's up, guys? The Star. Look at the view back here. That's Roanoke down there. We're on top of Middle Mountain. That's why my video ain't out yet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sometimes it's tough out there, I know. So do something you love before you go. Jump in the water, one last hurrah. Stay close to those who make you who you are. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us?
What is up, my friends? How are you doing? Sailor MOAI here, doing another update or video, whatever you want to call this thing. Had some great comments this last video and reminded me of a few things, and somebody asked about cost building one of these things, and so I thought I'd do a little something. I hadn't really kept good records of everything that I spent so far. I'll start off telling you, I had a 63 Volkswagen bus that I loved to death. Had it for a long time, and it was cool. But I sold it to build this boat. I wanted a boat. And what I was seeing on the interwebs, I figured if I bought something that I could afford, I'd have to buy it really cheap and then spend the rest of my money to fix everything that was wrong with it before it ever got in the water. And it'd probably take me 2 or 3, maybe 4 years to do it. I'm 63 years old. So, and that's what I stumbled across, Wharram Catamarans. Home-built, self-built boats. Always wanted to do something like this, so I said, why not? Let's look. 38 was the first one I watched, was a 38. The guy built it up north, and he sailed from somewhere up north, I can't remember, all the way over to Europe on his maiden voyage. I think, wow, he's a pretty brave fella. But he made it. It was awesome, everything. And 38, boy, I'm all about that. So I looked him up, went to the site, Wharram Catamarans, James Wharram Catamarans. And the 38 would have cost way too much, and it's like a 5 or 6 year ordeal to build the thing, and I'm not prepared. I don't have the equipment to build something that big. So I dropped down to the 30. I said, yeah, 30 would be right. That'd be awesome. Single mast, be easy to handle. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Whew. 30. It don't seem like it would add that much from 26 to 30, but it's a huge difference in the two hulls. And I am not sure. I would have had to build it one hull at a time, and it would have took me forever to get it done. 21 was just a tad too small for what I want to do, but I ended up going with 26. I thought I could handle that by myself pretty easily. But somebody asked me about the cost. Well, it was almost $1,000 for the plans. He's proud of his stuff, and he ought to be. I mean, he's been doing this 60 years. First order of business was finding plywood, marine plywood. There's no place really close to me that had real marine. You know, they all say something about having marine, but they don't have it. Nobody has it. So I went with a place that had stamped real marine plywood, and I had to order it and have it delivered. It's 38 sheets a quarter, 4 sheets of 3/8 and 3 sheets of 3/4, 2 sheets of 1/2 inch. The 1/4 inch was $59 a sheet. The 3/8 was $68 a sheet. The 1/2 inch was $88 a sheet. And because I didn't buy enough of it, the 3/4 was $139 a sheet. Well, I got the hulls all zipped together and ready to go, and I had to buy epoxy. And and I ordered about, I'm gonna say about 200 board feet of spruce, long grain, no knots. That cost. And I bought some red oak for hinges and small stuff like that. The mast mount is oak. Blocks for the beams are oak. The resin is $339 for 4.3 gallons. Hardener's $153 a gallon. And then there's fiberglass. I probably have about $400, $500 in the glass cloth or stuff, and I used the Total Boat topside paint primer, topside primer on the tops, and on the hulls I used their barrier coat, 2-part epoxy. That's $224 a gallon, and the bottom paint I used Interlux Micron. It's supposed to be really good. It's $220 a gallon. I think I used 2 gallons each, so that's not too bad because it's only 18-inch draft. So, you know, and the barrier coat I used all the way to the top on both hulls, but the bottom paint I just did the 18-inch draft, actually about 20. I went 20. So the topside paint, it's like $94 a gallon. I'm gonna guess when I finish this boat, if I include the trailer, which you have to, if you're gonna trailer it, you have to include the trailer, which I have to build. I'm gonna say I'll probably be into this thing for about $19,000. Yeah, y'all stick with me. Keep giving them thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And appreciate all y'all watching. And don't forget, do something you love.
Do something you love. Do something you love. Do something you love. Life will surely pass us by. Storms and floods come like the tide. I'm ready to go, my friend, so climb aboard. Stick with me, we'll hit the water. Miami to the Bahamas. Who knows where this boat will take us?